How to create a stack of widgets within one widget on your home screen for your Samsung phone with Android 16. To give you an idea of how the widgets that are stacked up looks like, it's going to be something like this here. So you'll have your widgets there and all in one area by swiping over to navigate all that's available. When you're ready to do this, go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen to get access to the widgets area. And you can do this on any part of your home screen. So go ahead and tap on widgets and first add your very first widget icon. So just go ahead and add one of them. And the one thing to keep in mind is if you do decide to go with a 2x2, all the other widgets that you're going to stack must be 2x2 in order for it to work. So you have your very first widget. Okay, and let's just say you wanted to move this around and put it someplace else. And now when you long press, you'll notice that there is a create stack option. If I just zoom in here, you'll see how it says create stack right there. You're gonna go ahead now and tap on that. By doing this, it'll take you back to the list of widgets you have on your Samsung phone. So you want to add maybe the battery one, you must have a 2x2 to match it. And if you go there, you'll add that. And now you're going to have two widgets in one. And you can just go ahead and repeat this process again. You'll go to edit stack this time, and you'll go to the plus, which is found on the far right. And once you are here now, maybe you want to add that of the contacts. You can go here, add it. And you can just continue adding as much as you want until you reach or finalize exactly what is it that you want to do. All right, so once you're done, just tap away, and now you'll have multiple widgets in one widget. Instead of having many widgets all over your home screen, you're going to have them in one area. And of course, if you want to remove them, you can long press. You can choose to remove all, or maybe edit the stack and go through them, take out the ones you don't want, and then just back out or add some more, and you're good to go. Like and sub.